Hi, this is Kean Carson. This is my final project for Geography 167, and I create a reference map of the United States showing many popular recreation destinations. These include national parks, national forests, shown in dark green and light green respectively, the rivers, the major rivers of the United States, as well as my personal favorite and what I want to focus on today, some famous peaks. I included some volcanoes to start off. Those are in red. Then I have Ultra 57 or 58s, which are peaks in America with over 5,000 feet of prominence. And then lastly, the small orange guys are the 14,000 footer peaks, all the ones in the US. And I created this map. There was a lot of things I had to keep in mind. I had to make sure not to include all the useful information that I wanted to without making it overcrowded, which was a bit of a struggle for me. In the end, there was a few things I had to leave out. Originally, I'd wanted to put state high points on this map as well, but it was just getting too crowded, and I wanted to be able to label those. So I put those on an ArcMap online and separated them out. In addition, I also had to remove many volcanoes from this map actually because they were extremely crowded in areas like Oregon and most definitely in Alaska, in the southwestern part of Alaska, in the Aleutian Islands. So I made a point to remove those so that I could focus more on showing the 14ers and the Ultra 57s much more clear. Another thing I had to do was I had to simplify and smooth out the coastlines and the borders between states because some of them are very complex, like Chesapeake Bay in Maryland, and a lot of the areas in southeast Alaska were very difficult to see beforehand, and it was not rendering well in the PDF. So I had to simplify and try to smooth out the coast. It made for a few jagged lines, but I think overall it really contributed to the map. In terms of labeling, I would have liked to do more, but again, labeling the rivers is making it kind of crowded. I ended up settling for labeling some of the more prominent and significant peaks. I only chose 6, but I think that was a reasonable amount considering how crowded this map is in the western half already. I made sure to use the halos on the ones that are actually on the map so they're very easy to read, and incorporating a sans serif font is very helpful as well because otherwise these would be very